Welcome back, ReactConf Livestream 2025 Day 2. Before we get started, I want to thank Mux, our sponsor for the live stream, Mux.com. Check them out if you need any video solutions for anything. I'm here with Evan Bacon and Charlie Cheever from Expo. After Evan's amazing demo earlier today, always has the best demos, Evan.
It's pretty easy when you're using Expo.
It is pretty easy when you're using Expo, and I've been doing a lot of Expo stuff recently.
Music to my ears.
It's kind of amazing how everything just works out of the box. I really wish we had something like that at Meta, but you know how it goes. Okay, so I thought we're going to talk a little bit about the level of speed that Expo brings. And how do you think this will change how people prototype or build things going forward?
I think that people think of mobile apps as often a big project that takes, you have to really plan for and you can't do whimsically. And if you have anything that's just like a weekend idea or a fun idea or something you want to prototype, then you've got to use the web. And we really want to change that around and make building for mobile so fast that you can be even more whimsical. You can be on your phone on a bus, and you can be on a train, and you can just be down on your phone making stuff, and then sending it to people, getting on their phones as quickly as possible, and just flying through that whole process, and just bringing your dreams to life as they happen.
Yeah, and obviously you guys Expo launched recently, and I assume that's the first step in a series of things you'll be making going forward to make this vision a reality. Any thoughts on that?
Yeah, we've just seen an explosion in new creators and people coming to the space, and kind of hard to deploy things from your phone if you have to use a command line tool. So launch has been spectacular. It also gave us an opportunity to really revisit some of the opinions we use and be a little bit more opinion about code signing and just a lot faster. We were able to shave maybe 2 or 3 minutes off of the whole process, just going from CLI to launch.
Right.
We just want to keep grinding that down. There's really no reason that we can't. There's no physical reason why we can't make native app deployment instant, and so we're going to keep just doing that until it's a reality.
Right. That thing you showed on stage. Is this going to be available to anyone, or is this just an internal prototype, something you guys use to kind of learn more about this space?
This is just, we're doing a lot of prototyping and investigations into just AI tooling because it's a hot space. Everyone we talk to is trying to build something with AI, and so doing these explorations really help pad out and make sure Expo is the best tool for the job. We built this for the talk, so I just built this in the last week.
Yeah.
And it's fantastic. We can't stop using it. It's on all of our phones, and it's got some pretty cool features in it. You can, when you're prototyping something, you can just tap phones, and then it will just open on their phone, and they can start prompting against it and share it back with you.
Whoa.
So I don't know. I didn't realize people would be. Yeah. So much. Yeah.
I definitely want to be on the test flight. Charlie, you've been working on React Native and Expo for a long, long time now. Since the beginning, really.
Yeah, it makes me feel old.
What still sparks joy in doing this?
I think it's still it's even more true than when I started working on React Native and Expo, that phones are the way that people use technology and use software. And if you look all over the world, especially as you get outside of the programmer community, because all of us have our computers with us all the time and we're always on them. But normal people, probably 70, 80, 90% of the time that they're using digital technology, it's through their phones. And so if you want to make stuff the whole world uses and the important things, this is the premium kind of experience that people want. And we want to make that beautiful, elevated, fast, responsive, and just exactly what you dream of.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that's definitely something we all want with React Native and Expo and all the cool features we have all around. Last question for you, Charlie. I heard you're a pizza connoisseur and that you're always on the hunt for the best pizza around. What is your favorite? How can we find it?
That's a loaded question. I don't think we have time to go into, but I'll shout out Series in New York lives up to the hype, and underrated in New York is Feeney, if you want a New York slice.
Awesome. Well, I'll be in New York next week, so I'll definitely check that out. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us today and answering the questions. Really excited to see all this stuff coming out of Expo, and I'll talk to you later.
Great, thank you.
Yeah.